I am talking from the front of the mirror room of Sheikh Hasina. Sheikh Hasina has kept here disliked people hidden here. Colonel Jaid is giving a briefing on the night of independence.
Ambassador Maruzaman, former retired. Before that, I was served in the army. I was captain in the army, of Bangladesh Army, and I was quite senior. In 1977, when we joined in, he was senior to us, and we served together. We were always law-abiding government officials. We were never involved in politics, either this way or right or left or center. We always served as we were about to do as government servant. But unfortunately, at the behest of international so-called terrorism, we were victimized. Hasim and me, we were inside that cell. We know the inner layouts of the cell by every inch because he stayed there about 18 months. I stayed there about 16. So there's nothing which is not known to us. And not only that, there every time the room was full with inmates. I wouldn't call inmates. They were abductees. It's a crime against humanity. One of the greatest crimes that can occur. Hundreds were inside the cell, rotation-wise. You go inside the cell, you see the names of so many people crying, please inform my family. With bones, with the mobile number. The peacebones, they wrote the names, the telephone numbers. Yes, many, because they were beaten black and blue, torture, third degrees. They were given tooth serums. They were given waterboardings. Because we understand, as we served in the army, they were doing next to us. We heard these groaning sounds and sounds of, inhuman torture that occurred.
How many people you think are at the detention?
Oh, there were every time with the rotation of, let's say, 10, 15, 20 days, there were 35 to 40 rotating. And how many came out, I have my doubts. Because what we heard, these are just hearsays. They were put inside the brick kilns. They were thrown into the acids. And what happened, we really don't know. Because these ladies, which you see, I'm connected with MIDAC. MIDAC is an Australian organization which represents the families of victim families, just like Chile and Argentina. We want justice. How long will they grieve? Are the husbands still alive? Are the dear ones still missing or what? Killed? Let them have a death certificate. Let us give them a decent burial. And we want justice. All those who did the crime against humanity, they cannot go free. They cannot go scot-free. We will fight. With the chief, we have requested today, this evening, this will go to the army chief. If he doesn't listen to us, we will continue our fight. We will join with the students and the mass people because we have no political affiliation. We'll tell them this is what our grievances are and we'll continue our fight until the last. This I can promise you. Thank you.
Well, just to conclude, we don't want the old coin in new coin. The system has to change and the thorough overhauling of the all organization establishment of the government is important. And it must start with establishing justice. That is why we are here. And the most suffering ones are those who disappeared. And those who are seen to be disappeared. We want them back.
Can we request the international media, the international community to put pressure on this new setup, to release them, and so that these people are not victimized anymore and bring justice for once and for all in the international standard.
Thank you very much. This is a very good opportunity. One of my brother is standing over there. He is actually my younger brother. I am pretty sure he has not taken the lunch or dinner just like me. And I have not also taken the lunch or dinner. And in case of me, I want to serve a jail. He's telling they want the new bottle, new wine, and we are the new younger people. I don't have any rank. Okay, I'm a very junior officer in this country, and today I have seen all the people are telling the people who are staying abroad, they are very qualified to run the country. I will request all of them just to join us. They can come in this country from abroad. They can give us the better suggestion, and we are tired somehow by seeing the old people. So old people will always give us the very good guideline. They will consult us. They will be our advisor. But at the end of the day, you need to change. You need to change the.
Let the young students decide who will be the next leader. That's
That
what
is the
we say.
reason without food we are staying just in front of
Inqilab
here.
Zindabad.
We should spray
New
it.
revolution.
We have done
New
our
blood.
duty. We have done our duty. Now this is your responsibility. This is the responsibility of the whole world. Just to help us after getting it from this situation, develop the world. Thank you very much.
This
Tarek,
cannot
thank
be
you.
a change of hands only. From right to left, it has to be a thorough change, thorough
Entire
overhauling
system has
of
to
the whole
change.
system and fixing up the nation. We call it Rashtra Meramot. We have to fix this nation, and this
do the
must
Rashtra
start
Samskar.
It is a revolution
establishing
which
that
took
system.
place.
Sanvidhan, Constitution.
Giving the details of those who disappeared. If they are dead, they must be respectfully disposed of. If they are alive, they must be released as soon as possible, without any delay, and with reasons why they were, who they were, why they were. We have details of the Maya dogs. They also have their grievances. Well, I said that we have not been to
have the list.
or to SB because we want to be there if you don't listen to me. If the army headquarters or army chief does not listen to me from here, then we have to go to
Next phase of
everybody.
movement will start.
We'll go to everybody. Then we'll decide what to
Any of
do.
you are interested to have the
We
list
don't want
of the
this
victims who were
disappearance
killed or
issue to be-
disappeared? We have the list. We have it.
Just bury it just like that. Thank you.
ওনাদের মানে আপনারা আপনার কি লাগে বা ওনার কত
আমার
কিছু
একটা ছোট ভাই
আমার ছোট ভাই ওনার
বিএনপি
হাজবেন্ড
সূত্রপুর থানা ছাত্রদলের সভাপতি ছিল 2013 সালে 11 ডিসেম্বর মাঝরাতে তাকে সরকারি প্রশাসনের লোক বলে প্রায় 8-9 জন অস্ত্রধারী বাসা থেকে উঠে নিয়েছে। আজ পর্যন্ত তার কোনো খোঁজ নাই। আমি থানায় গিয়েছিলাম, মামলা করে মামলা নেয়নি, পরে আমি কোর্টে মামলা করেছি, জিডিও নিতে চাইনি, জিডিও অনেক পরে কষ্ট করে দিয়েছি। আমি র্যাবে গেছি, ডিবেটে গেছি, বিভিন্ন জায়গায় ওকে খুঁজেছি, কিন্তু আজ পর্যন্ত আমার ভাই কোনো খোঁজ পাইনি। আজকে অনেক আশা করে আসছি, যে আমার ভাইটা, আমি আশাবাদী আমার ভাই কোনো সন্ত্রাসী ছিল না, আমার ভাই একটাই দোষ ছিল, সে বিএনপি। আমি অনেক আশা করে আসছি আমার ভাইটা বেঁচে আছে, আশা করে আসছি আমার ভাইকে ফিরে পাবো।
একটু জোরে বলুন।
হাজব্যান্ড ইসমাইল হোসেন খান ব্যবসায়ী ছিলেন। র্যাব নিয়ে যায়,
কোথায় পাঠাবো ওগুলো
রাসেল আহমেদ কবির ইসমাইল হোসেন বাতিলকে নিয়ে যায় র্যাব হেডকোয়ার্টার কমিউনিকেশন থানায় র্যাবের বিরুদ্ধে আমার জিডিটা নিয়ে সাধারণ ডায়েরি নিয়েছে। আমার অভিযোগ ছিল র্যাবের বিরুদ্ধে, র্যাব নিয়ে নিয়েছে।
মামলা খারিজ হয়েছে, ফাইনাল রিপোর্ট দিয়ে দিয়েছে।
আমি মামলা করেছিলাম কোর্টে, ওরা মামলা ফাইনাল রিপোর্টটা দিয়ে দিয়েছে, কিন্তু আমার কোনো খবর নাই, আমার ভাইয়ের কোনো খবর নেই যে এটা সেই রিপোর্ট।
The judiciary is corrupt, politicized. There's nothing called judiciary in Bangladesh anymore. It doesn't exist. It's a politicized judiciary. It must be broken up and a new judiciary formed.
মামলা তো কোর্টে পুলিশ দেয়নি, আমি কোর্টে মামলা করেছি।
Police have refused to accept our cases, even file a GD. I don't have any. Now they'll say that I ran away with a girlfriend or something, you know,
আপনারা বলেন,
or drowned in a sea.
বলেন একটু আমার ভাইকে
That's what they say.
আপনি একটু বলেন। 11 বছর ধরে আমরা ঘুমাতে পারি না, কোনো ঈদ নাই, কোনো আনন্দ নেই, কিচ্ছু না। আমার মা আজকে আমার মা প্যারেন্টস
We want to know what happened to them. If they've been, you know, if they're not alive, let us know they're not alive. Let them start a new life. Give a decent, you know, dua we call it in Islam. For their gaibi janaza we call them. Are they still married or are they widowed? What? What are they? What is their identity now? Please check up Chile and Argentina and other places where there have been enforced disappearance and execution have taken place. It's high time it ends, and they must be told what happened to their husbands, what happened to the dear ones, how many days they'll be. What about the children?
সেপারেট কমিশন টু
Yes, definitely.
জাস্ট
And they must be reinstated.
এই গুম খুনের জন্য সেপারেট কমিশন
What
হতে
about
হবে,
the children?
ওপেন থাকবে, আমরা আসবো, বলবো, সবাইটা শুনবে, তারপরে আমরা ফাইন্ড আউট করবো। আমরা সাহায্য করবো, আমি র্যাবে সিও ছিলাম, আমি জানি কেমন কিছু করতে হয়, আই উইল অ্যাসিস্ট দেম ইনশাআল্লাহ।